He started clapping. Yay!
Yay!
You ready?
We're ready.
Okay.
All right.
Ollie, wait. I want you to count to 3 because I'm going to take your picture too. Well, count to more than 3.
Count to 5. Count to 8.
Just
How
why
about
don't you just hold on a second? Mom will tell you when she's ready.
Count to 8.
Okay, go ahead.
Don't break that box, Sally.
4.
Go ahead, Ollie. Just pop it over.
6. It's tape.
Got
Silly.
tape on the side.
On this side, there's tape.
There's something in it.
Oh man.
There's nothing in it.
What is it? I don't know.
Sydney,
Sydney, back off. They can't get the picture. Go by Grandpa. Or go on the other side of her so that he can be in the picture.
Sydney, come
Come
here.
here, man.
Sid, come here.
Penny, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Magic gift for me.
yay! So what is it? What is that?
Gift cards for Disneyland.
Disneyland or Disney Store?
Disney store.
What are you gonna get? A princess?
No. Something better.
A Ken doll?
Something better.
What is it? What does it say?
Disneyland.
Now let's count 6 apples.
Disneyland Resort.
What do you think that means?
3, 4, 5, 6.
What,
Ben here.
what does that look like? A giant...
Ollie, it's a ticket to Disneyland. What do you think that means?
I get to go to Disneyland.
What's the next step, Papa?
Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Guess when we're going.
Huh?
When?
Which line is the shortest?
Today?
Yep. What do you think about that?
We're really going today.
She don't believe it.
We're going right now.
We're gonna leave right now.
Yeah.
You're not kidding.
Okay.
Oh man, I think she needs to pee.
Where's Sydney?
Too bad Cindy doesn't want to know.
She got mad that Grammy told her to get out of the way.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
Let me go tell her. Hold on.
Blew it.
that's no more. You got time?